Quick one to one of my sister, Easy Omori, about Sharon's death and Sharon's property. Easy. Omoji. How many times I call you? I advise you as a sister. Easy. Dead body matter. We not concern you. We not be your relation. You're not supposed to be poor body. Especially the things we concern and the things that the property of that same dead person. Easy. You're not supposed to get under the custody if you are really a good friend. Easy. Easy. My people, I don't want to share this video. Not here now. When I don't say I do video, I say make the family of OKPAMEN come and talk to the general public. So, and I also promise you now, I'm going to give you all the updates about the family of OKPAMEN.
See yourself on Muslim. Can you hear yourself talk? You do video. Say me OKPAMEN family come talk to the public. You now OKPAMEN family of Muslim. When you they command them, make they come and come talk. When I leave patient season, I also know na. Wama na ko we na. Na bere Sharon EPCA. Wa always secret na when that's when agbele ye o. Wetin dey sup? Also know na. Now you dey tell OKPAMEN family may come and come talk. Anyway, more listen to and finish. Me I cannot go back again, madam. Yo.
I better share this video.
What's tired?
This video, I want to share this video. Quick one to one of my sister, Easy Omori, about Sharon's property. Easy. Omoji. How many times I call you? I advise you as a sister. Easy. Dead body matter. We not concern you. We not be your relation. You're not supposed to be poor body. Especially the things we concern and the things that the property of that same dead person. Easy. You're not supposed to get under the custody if you are really a good friend. Easy. My people, I don't want to share this video. Not here now. When I don't say I do video, I say make the family of OKPAMEN come and talk to the general public. So, and I also promise you now, I'm going to give you all the updates about the family of OKPAMEN coming out to talk to the general public. Right now, right away, with the information where they reach me now, Easy Omoji, the phone of Sharon, where you delete the Facebook with the inside. Sharon's page is no longer on Sharon's phone, where you go give to your mama. Easy. Go download the Facebook back. Go log in the Facebook account page of Sharon OKPAMEN for that phone. Because now there the family from want to talk today. Easy. See, anywhere you sit down, they give you advice. I know what you know. You see all those secrets where you know about Sharon, where you hide, where you know how many family know. I know all of them, but I don't want to break up more on media.
This will not be Saga. This is not Saga. This is not Saga. No.
Tell people one time
this will not be Saga. Let it block here.
The kind of Saga where go wage easy after shadows have been buried. You go to rugged. Easy that thing where you know that palace you see one goes to after the bury shadow, you go to the palace. Easy. I just go beg you. You had draw your leg. I will advise you again as a sister, as a Benin sister. Easy. Go log in that Facebook back today before this evening. You understand? Because you go to blood you if the family not see Facebook page of Sharon for do broadcast this evening. It can't be said they can't do video sent to present and the presenter can't post them. Easy. Or your neighbor social media not be joke. Una see the kind of fellow we get. And the same that Mugu, where they call Prince OKPAMEN, is Sharon brother. Your own and they come for you. I tell you, see, you and Enogie, the plan what you and Enogie get. I'm me about this.
Like wait till I dey hear as a mother when I don't still be wait till I dey hear. Which rubbish this boy they vomit for my soul. Mommy Sharon, Lage Sanje. Lamogoje, Eregboje, Ye Sharon, Edowe Emiga Abungbe, Eritiao. O Salo Buano Gyo Ovi Mariu Huima, Saba Gi Mariu Huomo.
So,
Omogari Huima. Ye Sharon, Mommy, La wo. Do wo gie boy na. no more de day you wanna ije la wo oho ije enagi ma ye wo gire peji uwe ke gyo hana uno do ta public na we tizi kamizia we tizi venezi we a ezio epeji imamio o ewere page omu we na je o were moshwari amemu eyoto wo you can wake a page we sharo me we na uwe page ya we na uwe page ya ije oga umami ije wa bia ko owa gbinanu we o ti ebono we no dion ije wewe otan wewe na David we una dogba ije David we una dogba ije wetin you wan use Facebook page to do o we ara we Saga wa o we ara analyze wa don we adu awa weta mima ya adu awa economy na can stop make ya ke wa continue e wo ye Ebiga bugbe jedeje egitia o onagi ma aye kotere kona abije don't let us to point the full figure on you that you are the one that pay your daughter because of Limeriona. Don't allow the whole world to point the figure on you. Eken wege ye na we ho na do a point to border wege ijere na kwori. Ugwe gbo won weri ukwoga. Eru na na so ba va ni jo moka pa ko mo eno moka pa ke jeru we gi jona. No to ya si eti won la ga ye Facebook e manje gyo yo kana hu.
Right on, my wife.
This is not nice na.
Right on.
Why can you born at a webu? Page!
They sort the picking.
Page!
They sort the song.
Even not been on where you get here, but no, you went out, yo. Oh, Pagike! Ije! Belegwe, oh, Wuna, Ati Jue. Oh, one where you go for 9 months. Yo mwere ebele ebe ogwa bere elele nele benu wa ya go ori ebele o sele ebe anu wa na o fi enu ya what is the meaning of all this fighting for page
well, this one be presenter on that presenter before I must cut talk.
This is not presenter work, oh. Now she said now. What do they want to do? They want over that page or must work. No control.
It's not gonna work.
And if you are
patient say release a page ni.
If you are say don't give them. No, before they come meet that. Have you ever called easy? No call easy. Imani pejo, you need a pejo. It wouldn't pejo mugwe na. Bemo remo shari mugwe.
Never give them.
It wouldn't pejo mugwe na. Bemo remo shari wina mugwe no ya kokeje. E me fa no si ayoto
Never give her the page.
Why is
it to give her the page? You never give her.
Some African mothers do dagi one like we born me. Eri wajia.
They insult the picking you.
Eri wajia.
Share the video.
Eri wajia.
Wagae.
This is not nice at all. Listen to this boy. Listen to him. A bad page. Ego account. Or my release. Even if no account. Not even now. Okay, beje. Account. Even if na half document. Easy yera gbon here mewu. Awo wali wa deni no Italy. A document of wa gualo for now is too early. It's too early. It's too early. Okegbe je la okegbe. Okegbe je. Ujiwo wa egariele. Uponata yo ve no. Evi natalelewe uweko we ne. Uwe yagba one. Evi natalelewe je. You are proving it little. You prove energy. You prove energy. Eni ga bungbe. Egi tiao. Iku ga bungbe. Arwao. Otege. Awona unwome. Iku mu meni yae. This is very bad of you, mommy. Mommy, this is very bad of you. Please stop this you are doing. It's your mo, no, I get your mo. But this time, you're even supposed to know what they are doing on media. I got my fuck you where. Is you're on that time. Oh, we are coming. We are with Facebook. What boy Sikodo. Eri me ya gavi jima ya nyo.
Radon,
Eri me ya gavi jima ya nyi. Say no son.
There is son.
No son. I bet all your friend be your father to wash Wahala. So in the verse. Maybe your father to wash Wahala in the verse. I bet all family honor again. Keke. Nu wege onatewu we. Ije me oya we gbe ma we ran we ri o. But when I see me ege. Ya la no teme we. No tai se ke ne tai se. No ile gun amagun asodori efo o ile me no ye sha no eri ya sunu gedo suruwe igwa mwere na ri ebene ije wa eko ewebo esi oveve ewebo esi eveve udaga mi la webo ne amaye no ikeke na wu ije enough is enough. Avi wanugioun eigiyaun unu kia gederi ono ka mi ege wotu bo ke aladi ado we le saga do gbe man igbu egun wotu bo we do gun yagun epeji oga ogwa ebo gwa ma efe no weje owa agi we ne bo gwa bege na iye owa agi we ne bo gwa bege na Aba we page ugugwalo wado ta mama oni ma emi rokpa ije ugala ja Facebook idogwan e brezaki ajodo yagbu. This is a warning to you, Mama Sharon. If you say anything on this Facebook because me ya dog boye Sharon ya dog
because when we get patience here, this is a war. Big war. We're not going daughter. I want to stress Saga with you. Saga, you want no better one. We are daughter. Venu maya do no bena wa daughter. Maya ya neje mama gyo ere dogwa. Mama gyo. Don't have a more page ni. Ote Sharon OKPAMEN. Okay, more page a post yo. Il y a yaku. On les vidéos on les moyens. Oh ouais, Kevin, le shut up il a ravi jouer avec nous deux filles en wagmo. Hein? Kevin.
Ne shut up il a ravi jouer avec nous deux filles en wagmo.
Kevin no I am the free wife.
No you we o ki ari we Kevin. O ki ari we for so avant. That is the prayer I will pray for you. You will read what's your children labor for You go eat them. You go bury your children. You go point where they want bury your children put. You go point where they want bury your children put. You dey mad? I be talking about my mother. When me born, my mom was on phone with me 24 hours. Are you okay? I can like bossy Joe. Don't get you like bossy. You dey mad? You dey crazy? When my sister born for Africa, they put your red hair, they put your life, they put your children head. They put your children head, your children future, they put on. They put your children future. Oh yeah, begin they put your children future. They put on. And your children want to take by one. And your man, your parent want to take by one. Oh yeah, they press on. They press on. They no go ya be way. Oh yeah, happy yo. No who I want. You see the bed of the same feather. Bed of the same feather. Me, I love mother so much. Even when my own sister give birth in Nigeria, her husband do okay. Do you know how my mother take care of her? Do you know how my mother take care of her? But when we did, you don't go they cry, say, oh, my man not there yet. Hey, our husband go they press our body. What type of man they do? Our husband go they press our body. What type of man supposed to do? Because say our mama not there yet. Now we get the opportunity. Who mama there yet go say you don't born. Oh yeah, get that. Wait till he want use page to do. If na elder brother, you send this message. Now go see enter my ears small. Say okay, is a guy. You know what? You know what they do for Facebook. Baby, what they post his children for there, his sister children for there. Lot iyo bagba send the message by herself to a presenter to deliver the message on public. Keep on pressing your children's destiny. You are pressing your children's destiny. You redhead, you are pressing your future, pressing your children's destiny. We don't go young belly walk by. Who are paying now? Keep on pressing it. And that means we will press it, yo. Money. I need one there.
Talk when it. Okay, now.
Jesus. Jesus Christ.
I want to play the video again. As I play they go, will they analyze them as it be. What a video now, man, we share video now. When I thumbs up this video for me. What I do because I do two mega so ball. It no nya ogwe to. So when share this video for me, what I me.
You see that money where they donate for your account with your accounts or your WhatsApp group. If you donate and finish, suppose I go expose everything.
Yeah, let's go.
I better share this video.
This
video, I want to share this video. Quick one to one of my sister, Easy Omori, about Sharon's death and Sharon's property. Easy.
What video now? I'm gonna share the video.
Do your emoji. I advise you as a sister. Easy. Dead body matter. We not concern you. We not be your relation. You're not supposed to be poor body. Especially the things we concern and the things that the property of that same dead person.
Thank you, Nadia.
Easy. You're not supposed to get it under the custody if you are really a good friend. Easy. Easy. My people, I'm going to share this video. Not here now. When I not say I don't video, I say make the family of OKPAMEN come and talk to the general public.
Who was you?
So, and I also promise you, I'm going to give you an updates.
Who was you?
The family of OKPAMEN coming out to talk to the general public.
Who was you?
Right now, right away. Who was you? Where they wish me now. Easy Omori. The phone of Sharon, where you delete the Facebook where they inside. Sharon's page is no longer on Sharon's phone. Where you go give to your mama. Easy. Go download the Facebook back. Go log in the Facebook account page of Sharon OKPAMEN for that phone. Because now there the family want to talk today. Easy. See, anywhere you sit down, they give you advice. I know what you know. You see all those secrets where you know about Sharon, where you hide, where you know how many family know. I know all of them, but I don't want to bring up more media. I believe, say, the issue where they feel settled for inside house 9B. Easy, the kind of friend where you be to Sharon. I will tell people when time reach. I just want me to bury Sharon peacefully first. The kind of saga where go wage easy after Sharon's to rocket. Easy, that thing where you know that palace where you see one go so after the dog bury Sharon, you go the palace. Easy, I just go beg you. You had draw your leg come out. I will advise you again as a sister, as a Benin sister. Easy. Go log in that Facebook back today before this evening. You understand? Because you go to blood you if the family not see Facebook page of Sharon for do broadcast this evening. It can't be said they can't do video sent to present and then present can't post them. Easy. All your neighbors social media not be joke.
That's my wife.
When I see the kind of freedom we get. And the same that Mugu with the corporate of Bami, Sharon brother.
Just imagine.
Your own and they come for you. I tell you, say, you and Enogie, the plan what you and Enogie get. And me, about this, they expose now. Now small expose, now expose. I go expose everything finish. Enogie, you see that money where you donate for your account, with your account,
yeah, I the
for your WhatsApp group. If you donate and finish, use that to do your marriage. Use that money, do your marriage. You feel me? Because when I plan and easy, it not go work. Don't blame. Share this video.
Boy, now come to
yeah, we married today.
boy, like, I say, where the day,
Almost well.
I
I start to let you know right now that you don't know nothing. Mama Sharon is not supposed to be part of whatsoever that is going on with Sharon right now.
On page.
On page, oh, then I am Sharon Ariowa, or when take a decision, should be the first son.
Yes, because the get son.
With a prayer. That room where Naru Quero Mariku Yoma. Eh, Nadoru Homo, Salubani, who
is so. Moi demino.
Oh, the Naru who Oganoga Bokbanano, but all your way, Ukmera Vega is better. Miayarie, who we may God forbid. I must want the competent. Let the saga begins. Before me stand for patience is back, you just say, nah, I just carry stand for it back. You don't know, say me don't get. I get information. When BC I never release. I me made that they beg. I me never no gay. Hey, Moira, your Facebook was a bit. That can bury Sharon. Since then, when they talk to you, not be true you the content they talk to us. May they still talk to you. So that you can tell us. That Sharon page is for Sharon children, not for the mother. It's for Sharon children. Hey Sharon, all love and patience easy. Out of trust, my friend, or Semenahi, why Sharon not give Festina password? Why Sharon not give any other actress password? Why you can't go give patience easy? Now you give, now you be Sharon where give patience easy Facebook password. What can work the password of the Facebook. Who were bewa, ogon bra. Where did the nulalo or feel where they were ya to Saga? You are bola wegba. Waiting patience easy. Don't do for Sharon. Can you do it? Go in Chatiti. When you say they have the manage page, to go me go no good boy. 100,000 not be sitting account they pay you ungrateful element like you. Now you they call the phone carrying or Maswo. Is this not you? Talking to Sharon, guy, now you Sharon go to start. Is Sharon spirit, they don't bury him. Now you Sharon go to start to the cause for this social media. Go and mark it. You cannot call somebody a prostitute when she's alive. And now you are forming caring. Uzwa. What are we caring you are forming now? Iye Sharon, ye gwele we matter now. Sorry for your loss. Let your first son, which is Okpame, handle the situation on ground. Not be person. They show where the one better pikin put. Now forbidden thing for Benin tradition. Hey, mi agwano, vi yo mo ga ga ni obowe, reke na mo vi yi. If na gwano. Hey, mi agwa, no. Yes, Sharon, stay away from this issue and make your daughter in peace. Patience easy. If na native daughter they go on now. I will yobo no there. I will say no there. But yobo no na. Saloba ne gegbo. Dolobo when you. Ayorobo niya. Dore pastor no. Ayore pastor. Dorafa no. Ayorafa. Patience easy. The spiritual controls the physical. The minimum soon was sense no have. But Enogie, he never to defend you anytime, any day. Because I know the truth. I have seen evidence. That is why I dey vibrate, I dey talk, I dey attack. Because where I get evidence. If my phone yakpa. Where the patience is you know what say. It was a patience is yes. See Festina. Wama goyo. Festina, Classic Gloria. Your attention is needed right now, Classic Gloria. What kind of a friend are you people to Patience Easy? I want to know now. Because they tell Rita will be in now. You, Classic Gloria, you don't come mad, they attack Rita. But now, because they go better than your poopy. I mean, you be poopy to a go better. I don't know. Because the way we are telling Patience Easy for inside this matter, it vex me. Patience Easy is a human being. Or man be Patience Easy. Patience Easy was just trying to act as a good friend to Sharon OKPAMEN. Again, on a coma, almost was one I to Sharon OKPAMEN. Again, where you are detected, was the new man I to Sharon OKPAMEN, was the competent man I get tickets, no ya to Sharon OKPAMEN after Easy does stress. Salobane gumek bubo ne redo yogo. Salobane gumek bubo ne redo yogo. E Patience Easy OKPAMEN in Sharon. E Patience Easy OKPAMEN in Sharon. One voice. What is the voice now? They are dragging one of your own. Wa quiet, wa ma Saga wa. O yaya sing a woman. When I get we love a Patience Easy even what ah. When I was say Sharon or media will not be the one with not the media. When the matter 9 years is there, Classic Gloria, Festina. Or Masse. No wayala janve ka make better we frank we ni adoy. Ni azegbe. Omozwo, who are you to insult OKPAMEN? Sharon elder brother, who are you? Awe. Ben wa mie bo eni no shawo. Go! Ben wa mie bo eni no asnasian. That's when I talk to her like that. As a senior son in the family, Okeke know him no by now. Now he's supposed to be the command where they want bury sister and where they not bury sister. He's the first son of the family. If mama not get right to talk where they want bury Pikin. Because a bad cause and prayer. Say, man, may we not show where they want bury our Pikin in Jesus' name. May God not let us do it. May we not lose a child. And may our mother not lose us. A prayer. Iruno. Wagbe me yo. Waga one may you not lose your child. Or more you can know wagmo. You shall not be matter now. Wake page. Or mother wa me bury more. Do wa tam mozo we ko betenia do tell. Then ya kata as usual. That page is not to be released now. And if that page was released, a mimi a Patience am page in now. You book 10 years in Bali. But when I'm page in the family, I would suggest for Patience Easy to give that page to the brother of Sharon OKPAMEN, not even the mother. Or Sharon Prince OKPAMEN, Gary Mugie, no problem. If they can say you want shop the money, or man, no problem. But even if you give them the page now, the money, the back account and everything, I'm making the back account in Ladi. When I'm ready to do now, I move away to Puna. When I'm ready to do now, if not that, say why sir. Or I gotta go where you platform me now, or I gotta where you platform me now. I wear my you my you do am book and I'm ready to do platform me now. I'm not ready to do. If not that, say why you bug you can move where you make better no zaga bagun. Make better no sungu. Omozwo, eko bete walari. No watakba. Even the Patience is you in Sharon, why when anybody are. Omozwo, when did you become OKPAMEN spokesperson? When did you become Sharon OKPAMEN family? It we are moving your paladamban. Omozwo, see what you did. Omozwo, see what you did. Waga video na me. Share this video for me. Mo Enogie no me swag. My enemies call me Enogie we. Share this video for me. Omozwo, what is this?
Easy. Sharon OKPAMEN. Tomorrow. Easy, are
It's a shame if Sharon family they contact somebody like you. It's a big shame to them. Anybody where they the family where they contact you, make all the message Patience easy. After you don't insult the girl when they are alive. If God can give Sharon one chance or 10 minutes to come back alive, walk out of the way. If God they give person 5 minutes, you don't die, but make your thing operate. Now you go first start. Because when you doubt him, almost whatsoever you are doing to Sharon now is fake. Wow, that is why when I see people calling you and pray for you, you are again. Who are when no ya adi meninogia? Eseti da me. But not when you open a way. Ni se do about space. The more you look, the less you see. Our chest ya wale. Wama ona swen you wa. The more they drag it, the more I tell they drag Classic Gloria. Yes. The Classic Gloria matter even know where I go the dragon. I go the drag Festina. Because you cannot say Patience Easy is your friend. And we go on with media one. Imagine what do they buy Patience Easy with Saga. But why we video? Why we are defend us you are? Then one way no less amede. Ole Osamede. Now I don't see for inside this issue. Ole Osamede. We are retiring no server. The rest who are pretend the lady Patience Easy. Now Patience Easy, let me tell you something. Go openly. You don't have friends. At all. The only friend you had before was Sharon OKPAMEN. I don't lie you. You don't have friends. Osioma. Huh? Osioma. Egedan na oin. Ye Sharon. Ogaga wogin and I mind. But the boy we matanari. Don't want to take a decision. Or take Sharon audio. They take a decision. I will bury any. Can we give a video? When I me yari I was always say. Post there any money no re na be kani. Ye Sharon. Thank you so much for the stars. We're not supporting you no we matter na wa ama. Iyomori wo mo. Sharon ga hospital. Rekoma o yema yo. Agwale na ya gba e. Agwale na ya change we. Oga momo bo. Itane no diadi. But what's Patience Easy ai? Patience Easy is untouchable. Where it beginning? Yes, no ni Sharon. Nda wa no Saga Patience Easy na. Where set you when you wa wiwa. Ama utu wa we no sikeka. Thank God now say this thing they happen. Patience Easy beg us in beg us in on phone. Like Barry conference call where just where I will say when how can you be my friend? Something's happening to me, you cannot talk. Then after everything do at him, go boy the Chris. Also when you now me they choose my friends these days. If I choose you as a friend, you know that you are 1 in a million. Yes, I love you. You can love anybody. I want only the way gear ya see. I want not tell congratulations, I love you. All my affair not the way be. Oh no we are mudia. Some want you dead. Some want you to suffer. There are people who come to your page every day to see if bad news don't happen to you. But now it go happen to them in Jesus' name. The truth. Because if you na Saga mama Patience Easy. I'll Saga Festina mama. Yeah. Oh yeah. Saga no dinner. The Saga no dinner. No be more you buy you do can no almost war. That's why the feel say you know. When make you the talk, when I go most one ukini. Yes, say where I no cool. I'll give you the feed me play ball. Since you say you know what Patience Easy know, me will leave you at go better. May I leave you now when I play the ball. May I see what you know. You don't know nothing. Can we have a real wagman? I know say. If I raise money for Sharon back, I don't give Sharon. If Sharon raise me, okay, not be you go fight for Sharon. Say I go put my account. I don't put my account. Now only 4 people with my supporters say they want put money for my account. Yeah, my area Yogba or say the man I forgot their account. You look me like person will go fish up their body money. Yeah. When you mean I'm a traditional man. I go in here. Even if say I'm my papa and my mama, na my blood sister, na my relative. Saloba ne gami with that. You want to marry here? I'm not going here. Ya will you bonowa? Listen and listen carefully. What's the patience easy? Wamana say patience easy. All those people will be actors will not support you. So Saga is here. Because Osioma or Hamon come away. You can't be in your comfortable zone. Where be say not only patience easy be Sharon friend when in their life. But now, patience easy had everything come day. Patience easy was nothing but just a good friend. Or say not something. A friend will stand by a person. Say you want that, Oma, I deal with you. You get belly, Oma, I deal with you. Sharon first daughter, we're there for Bafan, patience easy apps. Now why people blame easy? Now they blame easy. Omana. Let the saga begins. Yeah, where I mean wait, I'll leave you now. But if I see as that they go the point when me get it me ya. Me ya ze gbe ni wagwan me kido akpo me. Me temi ya. Bon ya hwe mi. Omozwo. Where me nwe. Me nwe mo. Our stepchildren will not go away. The thing where they are apple to patience is now. Now I go apple to you for front. Man, you begin to return people children because you are just there claiming say you don't marry, you don't marry anything. Where if you do marriage for Nigeria, nobody know. You think you are fighting for Sharon. Now you want to fight for Sharon. But when she was here, you call her prostitute. You insulted her. Without an apology till now. You are fighting for her. Now Wagbinaba Nuzaga. Wagbinaba Nusungu Nugwe. Iwi kwen wagbe Sharon. Iwi Sharon. Iwi kwen wasaga patience easy. Ikwe. The Lord is your strength, patience easy. Vonerun. These two shall pass. You were a good friend to Sharon. And he was here. Do I release the page? Mune. Otin Sharon audio. Oga mugiye yo Oga when you were munije, the Mario Boyoni. That is an abomination for any mother to inherit, even if not slippers of a picking when you don't buy. Now it's an abomination. So that's a, in fact, how do I say it? Yeah, explain it in a way they're gonna go feel understand me. Draggy patience easy. Almost why you Sharon OKPAMEN family? Sharon OKPAMEN family. Iya ma beg everywhere. That you via shawo igbiyagiavo wo. Have you apologized for that? No. Have you? Almost what? Yara akpe yo we. Anytime you lose God. Mene nugi. Ya wa akpe yo. Ya wa akpe yo.
Easy. Egbiyagiavo do demila. Kuweke no niya se ma Sharon OKPAMEN. Egbiyagiavo. Egbiyagiavo wa. Tomorrow. Easy, are you working?
You're not tired with confidence.
Easy. Sharon OKPAMEN.
That's why I love what Destiny Bagua said the other day. Say fake love. But if I go better, they say I bone in the turtle. That's in a general. A general general. There's a Bagua don't mention anybody's name. He wasn't referring to one particular person. You not show person love when in their life. Or when you are trying now to be the mouthpiece of the family. And I'm saying no to you. No! Patience easy mamwe mimi la janode. Patience is the man who me the argue McDonald's. If anybody wants to see me the return page, the family of Sharon not get Patience is the number where you can't be their mouthpiece. Why are you not making people to look as if you Patience is a bad friend? Why? Almost why? 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 You know what's in the year? I be one me they do my own breaking news. What is that based on breaking news here? Do what on that based on you tell me now. Ni was when ni that based on breaking news. What's that? Patience easy on a year. A young girl. For not to the tackle. For not to the tackle say oh yeah I'm not saying no we born alone. You not carry Sharon money or marry Sharon. If not some friends, almost with now you shop Sharon money. You know where pan buy the house. Is it not buy house for Italy? But on me say no, they're not mujake. Is that not a good friend? Oh yeah, Morocco. I be one American. I be one American. Hello. Vas is loose. What come on when Morocco make it life? You way. Nonsense. Wow. For una way understand my facts. I know the verse of Mama Sharon. Imo way. The latest one the verse on her for. Oh, where hospital Miami okay will finish. Emo Sharon ba. Iye Sharon man you know way. That woman not get what to do me. But why will your daughter be in coma and you did not go to visit her? Why? Emo ba, emo me. Was it been a Sharon you talk? Ni dad or refe kwa wore here. But what way a Sharon you talk ne? Let to what do be Patience yimi no viere mana okpa eva. Ya is a baba chest. Ava all the chest with Patience if ya agbelu waya. Ya agbelu waya. You what? Bad friend to Patience easy. This kind of person now to come become person friend tomorrow. You become the hard. What kind of world are we living? Sharon OKPAMEN, before you give Patience easy, everything about her. We are not her. We are not her. No sense. I'm going to make a story. Mozwo, my way on Facebook now. We're going here for you to talk to what's it called? Sharon brother. Say me and I get the thing with the plan. We're going here boy. What soon? When we are not Sharon when we are not Sharon no show. When we are new year no. I beg you, I'm not going man. I am going. I said no now video ni. Because I am going. How dare you? Who go to Bunani your one? Why are you not young? Now let that boy be the only picking now we must get for this life. Yes, Sharon. Okpa ni gwa gbon me o. Ano ma bie o. Da ise. Niru yon. Da ise. Agwo mo dan ekpe gbe. What's what of you where the social media? The right no no yaro wie. Ukpo mokpa. No show the beer here. You know na. Abuma. Nonsense. Wabe you wa mozo. Gon bijou e. Ogon bijou mozo. Ogba ulalu edede. You have no sense. Yes, zuo. E Sharon ke wu me ma plan marriage ne. E pa ya do yige Sharon ni koko no yere ni here say the gian ya we marriage no ne re mo ge no sheti sin egbo e. You can lie to every other human being on this earth, but you can never lie to spirits. You not feel lie to person we don't die. Anybody where they do this donation, Where he say me shop Sharon money stylishly. Say because say nobody go know. Oh, when he talking you here. Amen. You don't know money. The spirit waiting we own. Yeah, you go me. Yamana very ni we. You go na me la diao. That is it. But people can still be donating on social media, no problem. Aru eneni keka. Awe mama si me always talk they will see put. Ni meri oni la diao ke. You go na we mama ya support to finish. Tell why you Sharon money to do. God forbid bad thing. Awa. Mohian zegbe. Any Mary Oge Sharon bago me. God forbid. Hello, bane gimari go in me. Pray. God forbid bad thing. So Omozo, stay clear away from Sharon. Uma love her, Ragbon. You cannot love her now when she's no more. All the things you are doing now, I am telling you tonight that it's working out boy. Sharon now, even if people they pray for you, without no apology, even when she's dead, you want to come more Sharon the first now we talkie, like you now talkie, the talkie boy, you hear Kevin boy agmo. Eruti boy kia, year to year, guy. I will lie about Martinenia. Now so you just do on December go just finish. Mabie, we will learn next year. Message you no give we. Eh money maybe we Saga here. Iya here. Sirawaya biana. Eh ya have your school anya. We message you no give we wa. Nuzaga wa mo boy. You look me like person we don't know yourself. He make it do admin igbinana. We date a patience is your lose. If you are the patience is or Saga patience. I'll let her know say now he be bad friend if you're there. But after all the evidences gathered, wait till they make Sharon and the mama they get problem today now. Sharon brother and the mama they get problem because why? They did not acknowledge what Izzy has done for Sharon OKPAMEN. Only Moba. No last year we in good terms till today. Even as we speak right now, Sharon brother and the mama never still they good terms. You lost your daughter. You suppose drag the only the one we get close to yourself. I go away or my go. I will you can not tell what I know. Say the way it is at Gramway. Provided you are in the right track. No matter now come on the boom. Because if I see now, waiting, see over a matter. Awa. Yeah, forgive you glass, Gloria Noro. He forgive you when you first now. Awa. Because Gloria my post or my media topic where Mona leave patience is alone. If you where still the Austria. Only you will defend the patience easy. Am I where or see patience easy? Why yo? Because I want my bug. Do why yaro yeba. E patience is your money now. Igbo wan we the no. Patience is your money now. Go carry a put for your head. First now, ya beg ko better. Mama, please. Mama, please for what? And you call patience your friend. Man, you why? I was a new Gabi. I was a new Bogui. No, I'm asking. What kind of reality you why now? I was a new Gabi. I was a new Bogui. Once you take care. Wahala Enogie 100 times. I will come for you 100 times. While we patience is more matter going as a contract. Then Sharon go as a contract too. A donation margin, but we are having a Yahweh donation here. I'm having a donation here because of problem upon problem upon problem. On my remote area, my berry. I have to page all the properties. What do you know, Muslim? You don't know anything. Don't let them whine you. Muslim, don't let anybody whine you. Oh, marry rock by Muslim. You didn't have to call social media to a prick. You don't know nothing. Don't let them whine you. They go whine you and they call better. The tell one I take the teta say, "Oh, now this one no get the shout for 6 days." Again, he fuck up you there. Not finish. Oh. When we are chan, we are bend the say again, you get it work. Because we might not can't pay you now. We are the mimi rewa. Ni ebie keke na we reke yigbe yirewa. Deki na na we mi no. Otisha no audio. Or taking na amoti and nehere yi. Because we have here no. He has right even more than Mama Sharon. Otie Sharon audio. Or we right no wa than Mama Sharon. Now the boy go they tell Mama say, see where the dog wakarish for Sharon bury a matter. No be return everything to her mother. They can hear ye. Wama nota. Must well take time. It did then your way because here wa me the day. It get be where ya feel feel. You why I am we Sharon your money or your boy of your mori. You are forcing yourself into that woman now. What for me caring? Yeah. I'm not ye. How much will he be on the day? How much will he be on the day? You know that he has a plan. He has interior motives. Enable to interior motives. You have a plan. A plan is bad. Yeah, not be this face. Who's so you only carry the fire from Masha without nothing attached. And my boyfriend, a boyfriend there, Iye Sharon. O tiens Infinity Saga no. Nye Masha. Mama Sharon boyfriend Infinity Saga. That's what they be. Why lock up? You get why? Let me yata webu. Okay, go to I have vene. Ko bete anywhere. Ni eria tanite. Okay, my people. I come better yet on Pano Day. Or when you're married, you're watching every platform, man. I come better, married, you're watching every platform, man. But you're wife here. You want to mouth, man. You they analyze me. You they tell your mumu followers. But my video, do your word there. Rundawe, ko better, Rundawe, Nyauro, my man. Ita. Imniawo de my man.
Ugona meti odo. No me etikbele bebu oni we meti odo. Wana gbe la derin awon odo wa.
Me gbe 20 years we bo.
We la dia. When oku odo yago. When no I buy my house cash, not even we. Not even we buy our.
Ni opa. Bo ma. Bomber, money.
A bomber has cash.
Cash in your bar.
You are not even adding your so-called odor to anything you they do.
A bomber.
You even they including your fans. They join now. Oh, we're turning your odor. Odor wegbe yagbon. Odor wegbe yagbon.
Odor nagbalo your go.
Maati.
Iye yagbon.
Maati. Odor wegbe yagbon weti odor. Odor na give me kia. Odor wo wa. Edidonu me wo woriete. Odoneti yekia ya wese umana ye dido ya we gbese ne odo epegbe. Odon we na value edido. We na value edido so do o weti odo. Odoni keke wa yo wi alele.
Aze nwekia.
Odonikin.
No ye 4 hours in we.
E wo even like where I get husband. We even like your fans is your husband. And Infinity Saga is your husband. We mu when Infinity Saga say odon we mu yo wa.
Gagabo.
What? Go better. Why you be good? Shut up your mouth. You be good any. E no ru we gbe hu ya Saga o ma. E no ru we gbe hu ya Saga ime. Where no get gone? You they use it direct. And if you don't get no get it direct, we are kulikuli we time. My no kulikuli gbe. And you pass through. Oh, we are Saga no get. Man, bawane. We don't know you people. Man, bawane. Oh God, we like that. They won't even remove themselves. Put that respect for the husband body. You can't come and say my fast. I buy my house cars. I bought my house cars. Precious mug. Precious Meg. You that cannot even pronounce Precious Meg. Precious Meg. Precious Meg. Edidori Bonu. Enerik ba unuwe. Enerik ba unuwe. Ole busy. A busy. Omu wagbori. I don't know live I know every day. I'm aware do power. But oh where your turn. Una yo do una ya hie mieteme wo. Una ya hie. Una ya hie kulukili wo wa.
Talk to them, mommy.
My husband look at what he never did apart for your fans. Very soon,
Husband of clearance.
No, be legal way.
Husband of clearance.
Oh, walagi low after many years or Europe. Oh, walagi low. I have feel what I feel what when you got to be this place.
I got the three baba and Ragmo because of Gune on your door. Oh, my book with Facebook now. You want change that? What you they act? What you they feel? When I can't be Facebook, where like where say not to domestic when I can't why domestic violence ya swing. Oh, Betty Baba ya, e ona ragmo. E na na gbogbo e. Imere na take gbogbo de. Imere na gbogbo e. Oh, Betty Baba ya na wo e.
Where won't do? Where won't do? I will call you back here. I don't let you make here. I have a husband, but Dito is doing his job. God, give us Sharon and take a cup, baby. God, give us back Sharon and take a cup, baby. Give us Sharon and take Monica away for this life.
I use it. Plucky leave us now.
Do your miracle.
Wow, as well. When I'm not going to then why go better? As the no man, as the no we are the no man.
Please, I take Monica away. Use Monica to replace Sharon. Babale Baba. God, please pray this prayer. Fans of Enogie. God, Wahala give us Sharon and take Monica away. Take her away,
so that all ya here in a query here in a cobete. A cobete.
Give us Sharon.
Ya here in way. Echo when you know your baby ya in. Why yak Maria who do I not flat on me?
I'm going to bonnet to explain. Me and my Monica who fake life. Then una izua. And then uno more. When a junior, una yari yo van Facebook.
Yes.
On ya degi yeke. On ya setback. And then when uno more get up your junior. When I do yari yo van, una to tire mo, una webo, matcha jagger. No when no Monica. I guess if your boy with me and Monica who the fair bon. Who need to explain show a document way or monoga. Who need to explain make public. Now me be Monica, I can't see give her to Junior. This ass, now so Junior. Now so Junior. Now we get for this ass. Way. Hey, winner. We all done. Hey, other way we won't be very soon. I pour we are color weather. I've very soon on ye, any Nigerian color, but on ye, but on ye. I don't know where you're going. Don't I will not out. Although I will not shut up or shut up. Although I will call you, why I go there going for? Why I go there going for? Although I know why you did do your halig, why you did do your halig boy, and you hear everything about you. We are Saga, me. And man and a lesbian will not do well confessing. Who got new way, Marco new way. But I not a shamble. I will put the kiss for her. I will put buckets for her. It's your me her. It's your me her. Pity people when they use the do role model. Ufo. Ya turn on a genuine. I want get it well. They got here. I want get tell the way Monica is my sister. We know your brother here. Oh, yeah, what who say? What's up? Man, I go there.
This is Ogwari.
I should go and put Sharon's Facebook back on her phone.
Wimako. I'm not commercial on Facebook on my phone. I gave, like I told you guys before, Imaro Wabishan like Koma, MA Vienna. So the phone is with the brother. Sharon get iPhone. The iPhone not the on. He can't have way. Now the iPhone, I can't not do your cable. A problem no because I don't update iOS okay. If you want to on it for her. So Emmanuel going my phone I could not do your or it or am I meeting you where? So of which till now we hire flash or hire dollar. I don't know anything about then the phone where Mimi they use. Mimi carry phone come my no Mimi now carry phone come my house. Now the mama give me by herself say phone Mimi na him be again. But anyway, je me mala keep the can on my phone. Phone Sharon Aragon. Iga agwe. We now market no go how de phone jege ya. Here is a form of distraction for some mothers at least. Obviously, if we have the phone, they will feel see time till they do one.
Share the video for me, guys. And turn so.
So when Mimi was with me, I kept
video
that phone aside. She didn't use that phone throughout because I felt like communicating with her, talking with her always, so that she can be talking properly. So I threw away the phone. Or because of the way I hurry have a live video, hey, return no more. Me may get phone, in our way, even Tina said, once you have a view again, and I was really with me again. Only for them to contact me, say, Mama phone, and I will be phone, I will not you, because you pass over me. You permit to say, I have a phone. That was it. And I don't have anything. I'm not an admin to Sharon's Facebook. Sharon's Facebook even have a problem. If you guys are not careful, she might lose that Facebook forever. Because as of last year, she made a mistake. She removed herself as an admin from the Facebook. It took me a whole day. Natana attention. A whole day to recover that. It was me that recovered that Facebook back for her. It recovered iPhone. So when she was leaving, because she could not make anybody admin, because already while we were mistaken in, you cannot make anybody admin anymore. When she was going to Nigeria, she begged me to go and post because that time Nigeria was not monetized. So, in our go post. As we speak now, even our emails, if that phone, Yamanameti recover that phone, our emails will be gone. Then let us go to our YouTube. YouTube in more care Sharon without Sharon even telling me to open it for her. I opened it for her personally because I felt like Sharon, you are big. Also, suppose we are on YouTube not anywhere. Sharon OKPAMEN TV,
I beg you, I'm not pray for patience. Easy for comment section. Patience easy, you are covered with the blood of Jesus. You will dominate in the land of the living here. In the land of the living, this is where we know you are not a partaker of evil deeds. Can we matter now? I'll go back to here in 100 times. 100 times.
It was not even on that phone. The other phone, am I even here and down until recover? But also now while you are busy for 2 days, I was able to help her recover those emails, and I gave it to the brother because of the children. Because if they cannot need it, I don't understand. It is not. It's not a page for Saga or page for this. It's a page that they need to keep for the children. You understand? So I gave it to the brother. I was able to send many emails now. When I have time, when I'm less busy, I will try and also recover that. All these things I'm doing it not because of anybody, but because of Sharon and her children. Because Sharon came with YouTube only helping here because YouTube had some fault of which he might make a fix, and I will hold on until the family gave me permission.
Well, done you see good friend
because me, maybe YouTube may say 5. Even Facebook may say I have like 4 monetized Facebook. So why will I be concerned about somebody's Facebook? And you, where I don't want to go that side because there's some things they were for talk, but it is meant for inside house. Emi Amadoata, from Victor Lawo, when I'm the spokesman, the family, me and Mama Sharon, we did the same radio. We send a voice note, he even call him a pig. We send a voice note, answer. So why would she not be sending you a message? Then we're not getting married with Buto. Yeah, we go, you have been insulting me for a very long time. You get become an azunoba, but you won't why. Why is it now you that they can't? Why is it a presenter that the same message can't give me? Can't return picking a presenter. Can't do so. This one are the same person where they send me message every day. Go hospital, go here, go this, go to where they go. Or I'm not born now. I'm not Jesha or Ude Sharon. Ude Sharon.
Lucky party.
From Victor, I will go next time. He ain't give one woman calling every phone. You must always do video.
When that you well, I will get not here before. Oh, record you were. Yo, if it's easy, why you boy am with your problem? When they must support you when money, they see edit recording. Edit recording. Easy are your boy with your problem. If they talk good thing finish, almost will leave the record for them. Oh we hello down here. Oh yeah, edit oh we down here.
Easy, I don't know if you're watching this video.
We don't know what we shall
any presenter at here, we can know man. In case you can play record you well. I record here.
Thank you. The record
you play or gonna fake you. Who you well at here?
You.
Don't mind I record here. When you get my way, any presenter, even if not me, any presenter not here well. Or here know what easy record there because in man. They can change you. They can even change your hair to white. You go wear black. They'll say my red. You will get argue a black ujo, a red or a black ujo. Easy, please. Don't leave yourself for there. Anybody want to let them call you about a recording here.
Thank you, my lover. So, please, la wo go. Ogoni wonuta to we ate why am with problem. Why record anybody not here? I said, be no now. Record me, no problem. Because umana record. Why when you Frank it here, you go regret. Why you even say hello? Yeah, my way. Do not wait better. I'll show you how to do bad things with edited recording. When we're doing okay, presenter still get presenter. Or Moswo, no la way kakabone. We're not here, we're not amawe. If you hear no way, or you want to hear detail, can you not it matter or possible or the voice of radio? Can you not you can say when I talk this thing? But the voice is well no.
Tell me. Because when you dagone, I need to come and defend myself. So la go again next time. And I come away easy the honor or not pareo. Okay, but for now. Like I did, and I don't get anything that belong to Sharon where they with me.
God bless you.
Nothing, not even a needle. The only thing where they my house now and the small clothes where make me live. Because it made me have a washing machine. I saw the up I saw the why I was Saga to turn so my car or can or two I call it about already buy a violet of your pa so that I will answer because the move okay now let me work. Person need to run from one.
Exactly.
So it's no longer my fault. Sharon sees my heart that I was willing to help. Yes. I was willing to be inside. I was willing to assist.
Yes.
But the way it is now, I need to run for you guys.
Very good.
Because if you cannot call me on the phone to tell me, say, easy, person that Facebook is Sharon, and you am anything about. A Facebook in is at the brink, any small thing can go man, and a Facebook in it, a man raw, no roto to Facebook in it. The Sharon win, Hannah.
Hey, Italo. Facebook in Agualo. Munia. Ukme mi noike, viobaya e.
Frank in a row, one walk, cookie here.
Okay, Frank. Future returning.
So,
thank you, my darling. Okay, I'm talking about Sharon. Who my investment? My investment.
No, you hear your investment. When I am working on stepdaughter, when you buy.
Yeah, can say gage. I call you. Who pregnant you? Oh, my daddy.
My daddy.
Who give you belly? Monsieur, who give you belly? My daddy. Who give you belly? My daddy. Yeah, Kevin. Gaeko. We monsieur. Monsieur. Beg. Okay, we are like in don't be big girl. Or when I'm a boy when they don't see period. If Frankie go call your boy, when Frankie need no more. Anything Betty, Frankie Yagolo more. Anything Betty. Or see how we wait the day here. In case anybody no really worrying him, Frankie. Oh yak momosa. Oh yak momosa. Egeya bekia you we me share. Egeya mu ekone me share yo wa oh.
Ewa.
Ye Kevin ma today's date. Also no. Me share go be pray. Who pray for Frank. Very soon. Very soon, me share I pray, but I go pray for Frank. Frank, I pray yo. But more at all name. Don't the place here. I will tell you akara. Obi organic go mwe kana. Hey Frankie, e chawe ma door.
Eh, dada no work with you mozo.
Eh Frankie, omozo. Eh we na mess of you can we chawe because I'm working kowe. E chawe ma door.
God bless you. It's okay.
E chawe ma door.
It's okay, Moru, you let me pin your comment.
My question is
Where were her people before she went to an extent trusting a friend? Personally, Easy is a good friend. Yes, now, let me the Saga de for now say, why you got yes, Sharon OKPAMEN ya no say? You see my point? Thank you, say. Somebody don't feel bring out my point. Will make me the verse. Before Sharon OKPAMEN come they give everything to her friend. Why you got here as a family? Now we will patience easy. You don't already clarify yourself. Thank you so much, my darling. Okay, Portugal. Go better. Oh, manipulate you. You want to take fair truth from you. We are like Jabba not to defend the Google Portugal. I will be like them. You are going to wait in Wagwale Matano. Divoking now. The more also not go.
Don't do that, oh. But look at the video. Don't do it. If you have the video on phone, if later if you do a metal post, not post it because of anybody. Yeah, mama. No poster because of anybody. I may be your money. Wow, we can't go another video. Go view where are holiday. It was they not get stressed again. And they can carry luggage by themselves, walk by themselves. Mama, we go no be papa now. Majorly they better be festival. I got co work back and I got January to December. No. The jolly day we will not give you. We not do the book. Emma, oh, here one only. Oh,
Nonsense. I love you, my people. Now only easy she find trust. Exactly. She find trust in patience easy. And Nerosha, nega won't sit down webu. If you detect a bad friend,
the rest should be if na another person. I was easy nike. Should be oga one way. May I use Lady Rita to make example. If na Lady Rita ain't did this thing, una don't come out. Look at what people are doing with to your friends. Una shut up like say una head blind. Like say no see am. Maybe not Lady Rita ain't there a competent position now. They disguara and Frank. You come back and they say Rite ya. Ekenwana gwana umagwa. You where you know yourself. Genia was aware. You sit down because my person when you like now they do all these things. Don't worry, always say Tony where doctor. Always say Tony where doctor. You know yourself. Nonsense.
Memo email you know if I still not a classic Gloria. In Wauna, wire. Okay. Okay, then no bagage do. What do go itagwan? This one a trap. Bagage go itagwan. Iritaga iratelity magwa. Bagage gwan because Wagagwa is a big trap.
Classic Gloria, I'm so disappointed in you, Classic Gloria. Everything is Saga, but why we drag easy? Why we see I echo? Nobody no know how to make video now. He reach a comment, no know how to make video now. Quiet, you go my cow, because one like your artwork now.
Mommy sorry. Mommy sorry. Inu eko bete ya je we first now na sorry.
We matic man o si wa bege na de wa ya gbin na ne. Oga wa be no ba wa go arule ladian.
E patience man even when.
You this.
E patience man even when. E we my sister, my paddy. Umanari yo na ya kat, umanari ya me kate. Ititi we wona wo e do it na so ro ma so aso say. This are going fact boy all around gbe. I love you all my people. Stay blessed and stay safe. I'm back from now. Bye bye you. It's not fair. And
It's not fair. No, it's not fair. Now God bless you now.
I love you. Later in the evening, we'll come back again. Thank you so much, my lovers. Wanoe uyi nari ni ye. Saloba no bless you wa. Wari no me oyi nari no mo. Saloba no bless you wa.
Everything not be insult my sister, not be Saga. At least you'll see give words of
words
of courage, words of say this is not my lady, la o la o. Like you work be la o.
Me Constance target patience there. Because why? Patience ma met you way.
We don't say what picture fair right my name come out. Monica Nara. Et toi la te gbe same la dia. Ala la lazy.
I know what I was doing.
Richard now I feel can drive me say after what Lizzie had done to you. Look at you are supporting me with God that time.
Yeah, na koko gbe.
Ni makoko wa gbe wa kwa.
Even
If I even say for example say I dey vex, I can't know the truth. I won't say because say your friend mad cover. The
day when the truth come, me and my wife.
Now cover all the truth.
Now Paul here for download us. We tell you there.
Cover all the truth. No me where you who am one. Oh, I'm one way you walk the leg on not right to be. If I put it down it's people like you don't my position. The one go take beat. If I would not say easy is right. She's a nice person. She do something now go beat and blue and black. What the name is not the verse for her.
Not the verse for her.
Emma.
Yeah, I go to wali support her. Eti gege support her. Mao, ode mi ni ma wo kan wan no wi palo. Oya me ata okay. Ile mata na ye. E ma ye me mama Saga ye Sharon.
I'm always saying when Sharon is not a quiet person. Just I want to know the life video, but inside she's not a quiet person. All the time. What the be expect for easy. As he come, I go say Sharon mother is a very great mother. He has done a great thing.
You know, say good at
he has
after he has
done a lot of great job. Sharon will never forgive
after Izzy don't talk all those things. Do you know that they went and threatened Izzy? We don't do apologize to you, Sharon.
No, you quay am Enogie. No, you quay am Monicalobolobo. Emma. If she do that, when Wahala Enogie, Amy or two.
Patience let them your way. Yeah, apologize.
Amy too. If I made even Samede.
Also Samede was surprised.
I don't talk now. Well, you know, I like you. Why I know see what I
talk now confirm.
If
what your bomb.
Go drag me go. I follow you go. Ya my bug baby. Bob before the pepper. But the syrup
will not know nothing.
Before I bought pepper, even though you know if you summon me, we are like, but Bego there I can't buy one. Bob Beggy. As that Bama local man. May it say when okay, I try to contact me say why I say now good don't know we mama you try to say which mama. My friend, wish mama, I better thing. Now we get mother for Nigeria, now better pass me, we get my mama for Europe. Yes. He said, no one talk and pass there, but now why I wear? Okay. Yeah, go matter you or we are my bug, baby. Yeah, my boy, yak baby. Because you got about where I get matter money, Nigeria master in the Webo. But not to pass there. He said, every other time, my friend, now why I wear, but I beg you. I the praise and say, now go to your mother, they go back to take care of you. He said, my friend, which mama? I beg forget all those things. One imagine Nigeria, one master, one imagine I beg you, walk with you. I wear my brother, my sister, every other time, every other time, cost swallow the rest.
No, yeah, if you're already big, yeah. If you're already big, you are. I love you all, my people. Stay blessed and stay safe till I come back again later. Bye for now.